Okay, start of day 3. So an unexpected stop in a hotel last night in Blackburn, but whoa,
it was the right decision.
it was beautiful, you know.
Yeah.
Hot showers, food,
yeah.
You know, just dry. We weren't expecting to do this. We wanted to wild camp, but you know, sometimes the trail.
At the end of the day, it's for fun.
Yeah, we're not here to endure. We wanted to enjoy. You know, we could have continued another 20 miles to get it in.
And had an absolute soaking, and then slept in the freezing cold woods.
So you know,
no.
Sensible. You've got to be sensible. Yep. Sometimes you've got to make a call, and you know,
yeah,
yesterday we did. It was a good call.
Yeah, you made the decision.
Well, I wasn't feeling it. I was feeling absolutely crap yesterday afternoon. Just wasn't feeling.
You were right. It was the right decision.
Yeah, you know. Maybe not wild camping. Yeah, it's not. But we'll give it a go today. But
it's certainly the trip. Yeah.
We're going to head to the local Go Outdoors because the trail will be wet because it puts so much rain down from.
Well, because I look at standing water over there.
So I'm going to get myself a fresh pair of leggings and go outdoors, and then we'll pick up the trail and we'll bring you back further along.
See you later.
Early days. Yeah. Once you get your momentum, we'll get cracking on. Yeah. Go on, lad. Leeds, Liverpool. Blackburn. Waddle. Daisyfield Mill. Yeah, jet ski to the canal. There we go, flooding on the towpath. We're not doing too bad. It's staying dry for us. This section so far is not too wet, not too bad. Probably about 5.5 miles from Blackburn now, but we keep encountering a few wet spots like here. But all in all, not too bad because the forecast this morning was for heavy showers, so we're still expecting it, but for now, all is good. It's nice, yeah. Going over the main road. Can you see out?
I see it.
Wet section here. Off-road section here is a bit slippy. Okay, 63 5/8 to Liverpool, 63 5/8 to Leeds, the halfway point. And it hasn't been as plain sailing as it should be. Some of these towpaths are heavy going, very wet. And another really bad section of the canal. It is very chewed up here. Oh my word. Well, don't end up in the canal, though, do we? Keep going, lad. Oh my word. That was pretty bad. That is more mountain bike territory. Another section coming up here as well. Oh, this would. Yeah, the bank's collapsed. Yeah. God, this is an absolute nightmare. Oh my word. This is like 4x4 territory. Keep going, lad, keep going.
Sunk.
This is terrible, isn't it? Oh, man, it's flooded here, look. Oh, that is pretty brutal conditions. What a mess. Oh, it eases off now. Yeah, that section there was a bogfest.
That was the worst we've encountered.
Oh my word, that is really, really bad. I mean,
that was over the
state of the bikes.
Yeah, that was over the wheel rims. That was.
I can hear my chain
Mine's grinding
away. So I've got a cloth. I maybe give it a little wipe down, but it's probably just going to encounter just the same further up.
Yes. As we get more roads.
I can smell pies. I think there's a pie shop near here.
Yeah.
Let's follow our nose. Just taking shelter for a few minutes, just a little rain shower coming through. Yeah, we'll just keep out of that, let it blow through.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Sunshine and showers today.
Sunshine and showers, but the bikes, yeah, definitely taking a pounding. Yeah, this section's energy sapping.
It really is.
Oh. Finally, a decent surface for us to ride on. Another nightmare section. Oh god, this is what slows you down. Oh. And this is an absolute nightmare. Oh. Yeah, we're just homing in on Burnley. There's a Greg's not far off the towpath, so we're going to head there and get a well-earned coffee and a pasty or something. Refuel, keep our energy levels up. Yeah, fuel of the gods. There we go. A coffee, chicken bake and a cake. Keep us going. Look at the state. Look at the state. Yeah, not for the faint-hearted, this trail. Not in these conditions anyway. What do you say, Ian?
I would say mine is absolutely sandblasted,
yeah.
wood blasted.
Oh. Right, we're just leaving Burnley now, and thankfully this towpath is lovely flat surface. All the hills all around us looking very nice. Reedley Marina. Must have had a breach here. Right, we just stopped for 5. Just get off the bikes and give ourselves a stretch. We're in Nelson, so a little bit out of Burnley now. But yeah, weather's quite sunny now, it's quite nice.
Turned into a nice afternoon, hasn't it?
Yeah, so it's not looking like that we'll get to Leeds tonight. But you know, we're not in a race. So what we're planning, we'll just cycle as far as we can and maybe leave 20 mile in the morning, 15 mile, and hopefully I can get a train back. Ian's continuing back home because he's insane. But Yeah. But yeah, sun is out, all is good, lovely. Perfect timing. Water. Barrowford, water point and locks. Alright. Okay, here's the county border marker. Lancashire to my left, Yorkshire to my right, and onwards. And it looks like where we're heading, the sun is out. Burnley 11, 9 mile for Gargrave. Showers. Just a quick photo stop. Whoa! Back end just went. Yeah, found another bad bit. Oh my, half sideways again. Oh, this isn't fun. Oh my god, that is heavy, heavy going. Back end just needs one to step out. Oof. Big knobbly mountain bike tyres is what you need. Yeah, just stop for 5, take the waterproofs back off. This last section was gruesome. Probably about 4 or 5 miles from Gargrave, so this section's really tough going. Just so heavy, claggy.
Yeah. Plastered the bikes.
Again. 38.25 to Leeds. Yeah. It's a beautiful afternoon now, even though it's an absolute nightmare on the towpaths. So we're not too far off Gargrave now. Sun's back out. Under the railway, and I think we bear right and be looking for a cafe. Okay, we've arrived in Gargrave. Sun is out. So we're going to try and find a watering hole.
Towpath's a lot better now, isn't it?
Oh, it is, yeah. Smooth.
So,
And yeah, that last bit was pretty gruesome. Pennine Way, Malham, Skipton 4 3/4, Leeds 33 3/4. Beautiful. Quick stop at Gargrave for a coffee and a cake.
Donuts.
Donuts. Then back on the cut. So finally we have a great riding surface. Perfect really, couldn't ask for better. For what we've had, it's been pretty grim in sections today. But you know, you've got to take the rough with the smooth. You still with us, Ian? Yep. No, I don't know how they're stuck, so I don't know.
You need a push.
Comes to like a dead end of a wharf sort of thing and a branch. Yeah, come across this memorial, a flying Vickers Wellington. Now I'm sure it come out of Silloth Airport and it was full of Polish airmen. 23rd of September 1943. Lest we forget. Yeah. So we're back on the towpaths from hell. From all them lovely paths out of Gargrave and Skipton, it's just returned to the mudfest. Oh. Back in civilization and the land of decent paths. Yeah, it's been there a while. Come on, lad. Here you go. And the bloody sun's come out. Yeah. We've arrived Leeds. That was a massive push. 74 miles on this final day. It's killed us.
With the headwind out and a headwind in.
Yeah, it was brutal.
Yeah, it was a tough day after yesterday, wasn't it?
Lots of towpaths that were just not towpaths,
No.
and then the last bit was not too bad. But the problem is now is getting trains back. I can't get one back. Ian can possibly, but
maybe we'll see.
But yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you out sometime soon.
See ya.